Hey friends, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. Ben and Denise here. We're in the barn today because it's snowing out there. Not that we didn't know it was coming. We were ready for it.
And it's cold.
Ish. But we had to move Miss Nervous Nelly because she is about to have a baby.
She's about to kid. She's really close, and we've got single-digit temps coming this week. And the sheep, I don't worry too much about. We've gone through many winters with the sheep giving babies, but we've never gone through the winter with the Kiko goat. So we just wanted to make sure everybody was protected. So we brought her down to the barn, and we have not. Hope is still with us, and I think Nelly missed her. Unfortunately, we have to get rid of Hope in the next couple of days.
They're sisters, and so Nelly did seem excited to see Hope, but because she hasn't seen her in since Thanksgiving, because we've been trying to get Hope back on her feet, and it's just not happening. So but the goats tend to like to be out of the elements more than the sheep. The sheep don't seem to care, so we thought, well, since they like to be out of the elements, let's bring her in so she can have her babies. Maybe we don't know. Hopefully in here. We've got it all kind of closed off. It is a windy day and windy. We had rain, we had snow, but it's winter. We expect that. A few days ago, I was out here in shorts, quite literally. It was like 60 degrees and beautiful.
Beautiful day.
And I think you heard us in the last video. Please don't blossom. We didn't want our trees to blossom because this freeze coming up. A couple of days from now, we're going to be down in the single digits. So, hey, it's winter in Appalachia. That's all right.
Never know what you're going to get.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
So Nelly's here. So I started seeing some mucus, some vaginal discharge. She's really swollen back there, not to be too graphic, but these are just the signs you look for.
That's farm.
And she's dropped a lot. So we went ahead and brought her in. I think she's probably anywhere from 2 to 5 days. I'm guessing a couple days, but 2 to 5 days from kidding. So we've actually got a nice little room in here for her with her own hay and mineral. But no, she wanted to be in there with her sister.
She hopped the fence. We had this divided because that side we were able to when we had the single digits before, when we had that really, really cold snap, we put up a big moving blanket here. We've got a heat lamp on that side, so it would kind of keep that warm contained for Hope and the sheep while we were trying to bring them back to health. And anyway, so we would, we'd come out here multiple times a day, scoop the poop and all that. And we were tossing it over to this side. Well, we got this all cleaned out, brought down, wood shavings, and it's all nice. And she came in, looked over the little gate, and boop, and away she goes. So.
Right. Just a goat.
That's all right.
So we spent the day, we were going to show you outside, but it started snowing, but we got the tractor up to the sheep so they can get in out of the elements. And they also have pine trees that they can get under right now. Yeah. But most of the time they kind of go in the tractor for a little bit and then they just come right back out. So.
they don't seem to care. But
They're kind of bulletproof.
yeah, like we said, it was really windy, so the microphones and the camera it wasn't picking up sound. So we got some footage of it though.
Yeah, it's really windy.
Denise will work her magic and get that in the video for us.
So,
So let's see what else.
but we just wanted to kind of show you we're on baby watch, not only for Nelly but also for the other sheep. So it looks like a good amount of them are pregnant, not all, but a good amount of them. So
yeah, we could have a lot of babies up there.
yeah, we hadn't planned on having anybody till March, but as y'all know, when the hurricane hit, it just decimated our fencing. So we did not have a choice but to put the girls in with the boys early. It happens. So,
that's all right.
We'll have babies about a month sooner than we had wanted, but
there are worse problems.
There are worse issues, yes.
So let's see. So we did want to bring up the end of March. We are teaching a butchery class. Speaking of sheep, we're going to be butchering 3 sheep. We are going to have 10 people. We're going to limit it to 10 people. Billy from Pasture Farm is going to come over, and we're going to co-teach the butchery class. And
yep, we'll serve lunch. We'll probably have like muffins or something in the morning, nothing major, muffins and coffee, and then we'll serve lunch, and then you'll go home with some meat. We will post that on the website. I will also put a link in the description if you want to sign up. We will offer cash discounts. We'll have you put a deposit down.
Yep.
But if you want to, we'll give a pretty significant discount for cash. So RenewedHomestead.com/events. And the link will also be in the description here.
Yeah, that's coming up quick. But
yes, March 29th, right?
Yeah. Yes, March 29th, Saturday. It'll be all day. Anything else?
I think that's good. Just wanted to kind of bring you along. Like I said, a lot of times we've been doing a lot of stuff off the homestead and trying to work on connections for the charity, things of that nature.
Working down at the hay bank. Still a lot of hay coming in for the farmers from out of state, and
thank God, because a lot of farmers are still hurting.
Yeah. But we've been down there helping distribute that and making connections there too. So anyway, no progress on the barn at this point. We've got some folks that want to help out, and a whole different matter. I've got my starter fixed for the tractor, but no, I've not had time to put it in either. So.
Hopefully this upcoming week.
Yes, hopefully.
But baby watch.
That's right.
It's exciting. Yes, and she's huge.
Yes. So. Nervous Nelly.
Not so big that I'm nervous, just, big like she's about to pop.
Right.
So.
Right. I don't think we'll have triplets out of this.
No.
Maybe twins. That would be nice.
That would be great. But it's her first kidding, so.
Yeah. We appreciate the prayers. We really do. We say it all the time, and we're praying for you, but it really does help us, and just crazy world and prayer and praying for each other and just being grateful. It's necessary. So keep up the good work, everybody, and I guess that's it. So you all take care. God bless you and your family, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
I want to move her real quick.
Show her.
I don't think she's going to stay up, but I want to just try to get her up. Come here, my love. I know. I just want to see if we can lift you up a little better. I don't know if that's any better. No, not really. Joey, honey. I'm Joey, honey. Hi, Nelly. Hi, sweet girl.
Hey, Hope. I got her.
Make it so.